Hi everyone! If you have been watching multiple of these videos, then you have probably heard my list of lion, tiger, bears, oh my. It's at the end of a long one of the things I make are a dog, cat, butterfly, flower, sword, snake, monkey, giraffe, ladybug, turtle, elephant, bunny, bicycle, horse, fish, bird, pig, alligator, zebras, cheetahs, lions, tigers, bears, oh my. And so this is the final one of the bear. Now, there's lots of different types of bears, as you can imagine. There's even circus bears that you could do that go on a rolling globe. Of course, black bears, brown bears that you might see. The kind I like to make is super simple. It just looks like a teddy bear. And it also, as a result, looks like a cat. The biggest difference I do is the back. I do a small little tail. Instead of the cat, I'll do a longer tail. So if you've seen my cat video, then you'll see the longer tail. This is a very simple bear. It's super cute, especially for little kids. They like just seeing a little teddy bear. And so we're gonna make this knowing that this front is very similar to the cat. It's actually the exact same as the cat, but I did it separately because of the back is a little bit different to make just a smaller tail. So let's get started. I chose gray for this color for a bear, but of course you can do a black bear, brown bear, or any color teddy bear that you would like. When you blow it up, you're gonna leave lots of room to grow because of all those twists to make the forehead and cheek at the beginning. So we're gonna do a little bit of a bubble right here, just a little bubble, and then do one more after that. So 2 bubbles at the beginning. This is where it gets a little bit complicated, but I know you can do it. And remember, if it pops, that's amazing. You're gonna do a cheek, an ear bubble, a forehead. Notice I'm holding it on my body because it allows me to keep it locked because it's not fully locked. Another ear bubble, and then the last part is the other cheek. So I've got symmetry here. I've got my 2 bubbles that I started with, but then I've got the cheek, an ear bubble, a forehead bubble, an ear bubble, and this part. I'm gonna bring these 2 together so that they match like this. That is okay that this part comes undone, don't worry about that. And then the goal here is to do 2 pinch twists for the ears. So I take 2 fingers, 1 thumb, I go pinch and I twist just like that. And then I do that again with the other one, pinch and twist. All right, now I take this part that probably came undone and I go ahead and twist it in half again. Oops, that's okay. That's amazing, everything that happens, okay? I'm gonna twist it in half just like this. I'm gonna take that part and then that is the nose that I'm gonna just push through. So that is the little teddy bear face or the cat face that you might have also made before. Now, all you gotta do is finish it. First, you'll do this small neck, and then you'll do one leg and another leg. Go ahead and twist those together. Now, this is where it differs a little bit. So normally, when you've seen other ones, we've done the body, leg, and then the tail is what ends it. This is gonna be a little bit different here. Pay close attention. For the bear, I like to have a small tail, and so the way to make sure that it's small is do the body and then do a little bit of a bubble right here. And this bubble is where you're gonna pinch twist. So again, just like you did with the ears, pinch and twist. And then you're going to take this, and you don't need any extra room here. So you're gonna just break it in half and then bring it up to the top. And the little bit at the end, just to twist it, should match the little pinch twist that you had made so that the tail is very tiny. So that's the way to make the little teddy bear. Notice how tiny the tail is, and that's what kind of differentiates it from a cat, where I like to make it a longer tail that kind of goes up. So there's my cute little teddy bear. Again, people love it. It's super cute and simple, but there's lots of different ways to make bears, so you can explore, make your own, or see some other videos out there to get an idea of what works best for you. Remember, whatever you're doing, that's amazing.